Hey guys, this is Vikas from PowerPoint World. Welcome you all guys in my YouTube channel. And today I will show you guys how to create a 5-step timeline infographics like this in just PowerPoint guys. Okay. So this is our tutorial number 172 and in this tutorial we will try to learn this particular infographics guys. So if you are new on this channel and watching this video for the first time, then I would like to request you guys, please subscribe this channel and share the video to your friends and family so that they can also download the template from this channel and use it in their personal project. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So I'm going to close it guys, and after this you just have to click on insert option. Here you will find a new slide option, click on that and choose a blank slide over here. Okay. Now I'm going to copy the color sample from the previous slide. So we have this color sample. So let me zoom out guys, so that you can see the color sample. So I'm going to press Ctrl C and paste this color sample over the new slide like this. Okay. Now I'm going to select this and I'm going to copy it from the previous slide and paste it over the new slide for the reference guide, and I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Now let me ungroup these items so that I can show you how I have created small icons, different types of elements, and combine these elements to get a shape like this. Okay. So I have created a circle like this. So this is the state of the text over here, and after this you can see a rectangle. You can see the rectangle over here like this. This is the rectangle. Let me change the color of this rectangle so that you can see this. So this is the rectangle, this is the shadow effect, and this is the text. So these are the 5 things we have to create. We have to create the shadow effect, we have to create the shape of this text, we have to create a rectangle, and we have to create this particular text. And after creating this we have to put this type of text as well as the icon to provide us combined shape like this to get a better result guys. Okay. So I'm going to make it a group over here and start creating our customized shape. So I'm going to click on the insert option over here. You can see the shape option. Just click on that and choose the oval option inside the shape. So I'm going to click it over here. Press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it like this to make a shape like this. Okay. Now I'm going to remove the outline to select this particular option. And after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will select the rectangle option. You can select it over here directly, and if you want to select it in another way, then you can click on the insert option. Inside insert option, just go to the shape option and choose a rectangle. Just drag a rectangle like this and make it no outline, change the color and put it over here like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this rectangle. I put it separately over here, and now select the oval shape option. After selecting it, what I'm going to do, I will press the Ctrl option from the keyboard and select this orange rectangle over here. And now I will click on the merge shape option and say subtract. Means this orange rectangle will be subtracted from this particular oval shape. Okay. So now we rest with this type of shape. Now what I'm going to do, I will decrease the size of this rectangle to this much and put it over here. Right click over here and send it to back. Now put this circle over here, and now I'm going to create a shadow effect like this. So create shadow effect. To create shadow effect, I'm going to click on insert option, just choose an oval again and drag it over here like this. Just make it no outline by just clicking on this option because I have already used this option previously. So now what I'm going to do, right click over here and you will find the format shape option at the bottom of this pane. So just click on that and choose a format shape option. As you click on the format shape option, you can see a panel on the right side of the screen, the format shape panel. Okay. Inside this panel you have to click on effect option, and here you will find a soft edges option over here. Just click on that, and under the preset option you have to choose 25 points. Okay. Now we have to choose a color for this. So I'm going to choose a lighter gray color for the shadow effect. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay. And now I'm going to increase this like this and rotate it to the 90-degree right and put this over here. right click over here and send it to back. Now I have to select this shape. Okay, now we have to create you can see the shadow effect over here. Now we have to create this text shape over here. To create this, what I'm going to do, I will select this, click on the home option, and here you will find, or you can click the insert option also, and you will find the text option. Under the home option you will find the text option over here, and under the insert option you will find the text option over here. So you can use the both option, either you can use the home or insert tab. So I'm going to click on home, insert, and inside the insert I'm going to choose this text option over here. Just drag it over here and type 2. Okay, now I'm going to increase the size of this text. So I'm going to make it like this much, 199, and I'm going to provide it with a different text style. Like I'm going to choose a different text style. For this I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so let me reduce the text size to this much. Okay, and now I'm going to provide a color to this text. So I'm going to click on the format no. Without doing this, what you have to do, you have to select the rectangle option over here, just put it over here like this. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this. Press Ctrl D 5 times. So we have 5 duplicate copy of 2. You can see we have 5 duplicate copy of 2. 1 2 3 4 5. So I will replace it with the 1, and this from 3, and this will be 4, and finally this will be 5. So we have 5 text over here. So I'm going to drag it like this and put one by one this text over this rectangle. So I'm going to select the first one shape, then I will drag this 2 text, then I will bring it to the front, 3 here, and 4 here, and finally 5 here. Now what we have to do, we have to select this rectangle as well as this text by pressing Ctrl on the keyboard one by one. Okay, so now click on the format option. As you can see here, you will find a merge shape option over here. So just click on that and choose a fragment option from there. Now what I'm going to do, I will select this rectangle and press delete on the keyboard. To delete the rectangle, we rest with this text shape only. But when I zoom in, you can see the outlines of the text here. So we have to remove this outline, guys. So what I'm going to do, I will select all this text from here and make it no outline, guys, by clicking on this particular option. Okay. Okay. So now I will fill this particular text with the color sample. We have this particular color, and I'm going to put it over here like this. Just right click over here and send it to back. Send it to back. And now I'm going to make this rectangle white. So I'm going to fill it with the white color. So I'm going to choose white color for this. And now you can see the effect over here. Now you can see the effect over here. So I'm going to fill this particular shape with the orange color. Like I'm going to choose this color for this. And now our set is ready. So I'm going to make a group of this. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I will select all this text and from this slide and put it over here like this. Okay. So for text, what I'm using Calibri body, size is 7, and for the heading I'm using this particular text and size is 14. This is the icon I have downloaded from the flaticon.com. So this is the website from where you can download this type of beautiful icons and use it in your project without any cost, without any attribution, guys. Okay. So what we have this shape. So I'm going to make a group of this and put it over here. Sorry. We have to select all these shapes like this and press Ctrl G to make a group and keep it separately. By pressing Ctrl D, you will duplicate this shape and put it over here like this. Okay, now I'm going to fill this shape with the different color. So I'm going to choose eyedropper and fill it with this color. Okay, now we will fill this shape from this color and remove one from here and put two here, guys. Okay, so let me take the reference of the previous slide. As you can see here, we have to put two like this, and okay, so now I'm going to make a duplicate of this shape, place it over here, fill this shape with a different color as we have already a color sample. So I'm going to choose a eyedropper, and at the left side you will find this color sample. So I'm going to fill it with this color, and this shape also I will fill with this color. Okay, so I'm going to make a group of this item and put it over here. Again, I'm going to make a group of these items and put it over here. And I'm going to delete this because we don't want a reference now. So I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this 3 text and replace this text with 4. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this 4 text with this color as well as this shape with the same color, and put this 4 like this. Press this and press Ctrl G to make a group. And now I will press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this, put it over here and delete the 4 text over here. Just change the color of this shape by choosing the eyedropper option from here and choose this color. Again, I'm going to fill the 5 with the same color and put this 5 just here. Press this and press Ctrl G. So we done with this shape, guys, like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will select all these shapes, just click on align option and say middle, align middle. This is align middle, and now what I'm going to do, I will put it over here like this. Okay, so this is how you can create an effect like this, guys. You can see. Okay, you will have to change the icons, so you can use the icon. I will provide the download link of these presentations inside the just below in the descriptions, as well as on my blog. So you can download it from from my blog as well as in the description box from the Google Drive. So now I would like to request you guys, if you like the video, if you want to make a contribution, then you can check the description box. There the link is provided. You can make a small contribution to make us motivated and motivated to create such beautiful stuffs of the PowerPoint like this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thanks again for watching this video.